you talked about how some cars are now reporting your driving activity. I've found some cars are embedding. Like all of these cars have cameras now everywhere. Like there's the backup camera that everybody knows about, but there's also like other cameras for sensors and whatever. But there's also now some cars are putting cameras inside of the cabin of the car to track the person driving. And they say it's for safety reasons, in case you have the autopilot going and therefore you're not doing it properly and blah, 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 blah. But I have to say, in no way is it okay for someone to have a camera in my car pointed at me at all times just because, like what am I buying at this point? Like, right. Like this is like,
why are you giving this to me for free, like a Google search, and exactly. You're stealing all my data?
Yeah, you're making me have pay thousands and thousands of dollars for surveillance of myself that I didn't even know. Like, and it's crazy because a lot of cars are doing that. Sometimes they're even purposefully hiding them. Like some companies are putting it out like outright in your face on the steering column, and then some are putting it in the dash, like next to the vents or something. Like it's a sketchy thing.
It's a mad world. It's a very mad
so privacy is a very important thing, and even though this is not necessarily related to Hadouken, security is security. So stay alert.
The good news about all of this is it really got me thinking about how much I miss playing Street Fighter. That was one of my favorite games.
That's true. Ever. Yeah. It has been a very long time since I played Street Fighter.
Yeah.
And speaking of which, the Hadouken spelling used for the malware is actually spelled incorrectly. If it was referring to the term given to a special attack with fireballs from Capcom's Street Fighter series of fighting games, the correct spelling is Hadouken, Hadouken, not Hadouken, Hadooken.
Listen, Professor Jill coming in to save the day. Yeah. They should be so embarrassed they just delete the malware.
Not only are you terrible people, you're also terrible at spelling. I mean,
these bad actors don't know how to spell correctly.
Get good, bro.
They didn't go to school.
Your spelling's Ohio dog water.